Despite the best efforts of the medical community, the number of people diagnosed with hyperglycemia has been rising steadily in recent years. Lots of individuals have diabetes, making it one of the most widespread diseases today. The fact that these symptoms are so subtle in the early stages of the disease makes it all the more deadly. As a result, someone could be diabetic and utterly unaware of it. Herbal remedies for high blood sugar have shown promise, but before using any of them, it's best to talk to your doctor. In this piece, I will outline the ways in which cloves can help regulate blood sugar levels and provide instructions for doing so, all from the authoritative source of Healthline. Considering the strong antioxidant content of cloves, diabetes is significantly reduced by regular consumption. More than that, the nigericin in this herb has been shown to stimulate insulin production, a hormone that helps to regulate glucose in the blood. Low levels of insulin in the blood are the primary cause of diabetes. Cloves have been shown to help lower blood sugar levels when consumed on a regular basis. But the question remains, how should one consume them? Clove is an herb that can be used in various culinary applications. The distinctively spicy flavor that this herb imparts usually elevates the overall quality of the cuisine you're eating. It's typically used as a powder that's added to foods after being dried and powdered. Soups, stews, pepper soup, and other similar dishes all benefit from the addition of cloves. Consuming this herb as part of a healthy diet plan can aid in controlling blood sugar and warding off diabetes. Cloves are an all-natural herb, thus it follows that using them rarely causes any adverse reactions. Even more impressively, it has been shown to help minimize stomach ulcers.